Before you download a trading app, stop. The wrong app could cost you hundreds of dollars in hidden fees, while the right one could make investing easier than ever. Today, I'm revealing the 5 best trading apps in 2026 that beginners across the US are using to start investing with confidence. Let's jump in. At number 5 is Webull. If you love advanced charts, technical indicators, and real-time market data without paying extra, Webull is a fantastic choice. The learning curve is slightly higher, but it's perfect if you want to grow from beginner to advanced trader. Coming in at number 4, SoFi Invest. It's one of the easiest platforms for complete beginners. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, retirement accounts, and even automate your investments, all from one clean, simple app. Perfect if you're just starting your investing journey. Number 3 is Robinhood. Robinhood changed investing by making commission-free trading popular. Its clean interface makes buying your first stock incredibly simple. Just remember, always research before investing instead of following social media hype. Taking second place, Fidelity. If you're thinking long-term, Fidelity is hard to beat. It offers excellent research tools, retirement accounts, mutual funds, and outstanding customer support. Many financial experts recommend Fidelity for building long-term wealth. And the number 1 trading app in 2026? Schwab. Schwab combines powerful investing tools, low costs, excellent customer service, and beginner-friendly education. Whether you're investing $100 or building $1 million portfolio, it's one of the most trusted platforms in America. So here's the quick recap. Best overall, Schwab. Best for beginners, Robinhood and SoFi. Best research, Fidelity. Best charts, Webull. Which trading app are you using in 2026? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more investing tips every week.